people, it's Alex, and I'm back in the Surrey Hills. Like usual during this lockdown, I'm walking from Dorking to Gomshall and back. It's a circular loop. It's about 24 kilometres I'm doing today. Basically you walk up the side of the hills in Surrey from Dorking to Gomshall, you climb down the hill and then you walk back. It's a really nice scenic walk. I've got a couple of new walking poles that I'm trying out as well. I'm already about 8 kilometres in because you have to walk through Dorking to begin with, which is quite nice. And then you get to the countryside. Let's go.
Maybe I wouldn't care if I could suffocate my feelings for you, and I could just carry on loving you.
Just made it to Ranmore Common and Denby's hillside. It's quite windy and I've literally just watched the rain come all the way from over to where Gomshall is, all the way across towards Dorking. It looks like I've kind of dodged it.
Change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down, wish I could.
I've come to the end of the part of the walk where you walk up the top of the hillside. You'll see I passed all of those pillboxes. I've seen about 7 or 8 of them across the top of the hillside on this walk. And they were put in, obviously, in the 1940s during World War II, just in case that there was an invasion by the Germans. The coast is that way, towards the view, and London is behind me. So the Germans, they would have come up through the south coast, tried to storm these hills through Surrey, and then literally probably 20, 30 miles that way is London. So they formed what was called a stop line, which I thought was quite interesting. But I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm going to sit here and enjoy the view and hope the heavens don't open.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
Still wet. Ooh.
I just miss you.
Really refreshing though.
We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree.
Oh, so I've managed to find a spot in a little barn by some hay bales because it's absolutely pouring down out there. It's not nice. Hair is so wet. But it's good, I really enjoy it actually. It's pretty refreshing to be fair. I think I might just sit here for a minute, maybe have some food, and then crack on.
It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
just had to peg it all the way back to the car and film the last bit of this video in the car because it's absolutely chocking it down out there. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to the Lake District. I'm doing about a 50-mile couple of nights up there, doing some wild camping, so it should bring some variation into the videos for you. So I hope you're looking forward to that. Hope you enjoyed the video that you saw today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please give us a comment as well, and if you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. But apart from that, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Peace.